Good morning friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Advocate Amit Kumar Gupta. In the series on income tax cases, the case which we will discuss today is Jeet Singh versus Income Tax Officer. This case has been decided on 24 June 2021 and it is a very important judgment which has been covered by the CLI in its book 98 ITR Tribunal 331. This matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT. The matter is related to the section 148 and 147 assessment. The facts of the case are very interesting. In this particular case, a notice was issued to the assessee on the reason that the assessee has purchased an insurance policy of near about 1 crore and surrendered it into 3 years. When the assessment proceedings were going on, the assessee submitted all its reply related to these reasons on which the notice was issued. And the assessing officer did not make any addition on the reasons on which the notice was issued to the assessee. But when the assessment was going on, the assessing officer came to another matter and made two additions, one of rupees 3 crore and one of rupees near about 8 lakh into the income of the assessee. But these additions were not in the reasons on the basis of which the notice was issued to the assessee. And the reasons on the basis of which the notice was issued was dropped. Meaning thereby that there was no addition done on the reason for which the notice was issued. The assessee went to the CIT appeal against this order, saying that the assessing officer do not have the power to make the addition under other incomes until and unless the addition under those reason is made for which the notice was issued. But the CIT appeal was not convinced with the version of the assessee and the assessee went to the ITAT for relief. ITAT said that AO has very wide powers under section 147 and 148. The assessee can go beyond the reasons for which the notice has been issued and he can make the additions on the other issues also for which the notice was not issued. But there is a condition that until and unless the reasons for which the notice was issued survive, the assessing officer cannot make the addition on the other issues. So this was the crux of this case. Because in this case the notice was issued by saying that the assessee has purchased an insurance policy of near about 1 crore and surrendered it into 3 years. But the assessee gave all its explanation about the insurance policy. Addition was not made on this ground. So once the addition was not made on the ground of the reasons for which the notice was issued under section 148, the assessing officer does not have any power to make any addition on the other heads or the other sources or under the other concepts. So in this case, the notice was not issued for 3 crore and 8 lakh. If the assessing officer want to make the addition on 3 crore and 8 lakh, then it was necessary for him to go for the addition for 1 crore for which the notice was issued. This is very important concept. If the assessing officer has not made addition for the reason for which the notice was issued, then he cannot make any addition on for any other reason. If he want to make the addition for any other reason, then he has to issue the notice again under section 148 for that assessment year if the conditions of section 149, that is for the timelines for issuing the notice, are available to him. But through the same notice, the assessing officer cannot make the addition for the two matters until and unless he has made the addition on the main reason. Friends, this case is very important. We see in a number of cases that sometimes the notices are issued for fake reasons when there is no reason because the data is following like nothing into the portal of the department. So there may be chances that the addition is not made on the main reason. So once the addition is not made under the main reason, your whole case get in your favor, and the assessing officer does not have the power to make addition for other reasons. Friends, this case is very important in dealing in section 148 cases. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Jeet Singh versus Income Tax Officer. Thank you, friends.